Hello once again, Cult of Copy fans and aficionados. It is me, your host Colin Terrio, here with another episode of Eat Me. This one is number 32. Yeah. Today we're going to talk about how to increase the perceived value of any product or service that you want to sell so that you can charge a very high price for these products and services of yours, and the audience will see them as being worth that price, even though you may be charging multiples more than other providers charge for the same product or service. So the first thing to realize is that inherent value in things has to do with context, more so than, material value. So think of your product and think about these different variables, and some of them may not apply, but you can use them, for anything that you want. Just think about it. Who made the product? Who invented the idea behind the product? What is the history of the product? What is the history of the genius that created that product? What is the material that the product is made of? What is the pedigree of that material? What is the quality inherent in that material? What famous people have ever used the product or the method that underlies the product? What historical figures may have had to do with the idea or understanding behind the product? Where does the product come from? How hard is it to create this particular product? How meticulous is the creation of this particular product? All of these, you'll notice, are stories about the creation and propagation of this particular product or service, and stories are what create value out of nothing. So the more stories you have about every possible factor or component of your product or service, the more value people will see in it overall, or in part. Hopefully that tip is valuable to you. If you want more, I'm here every weekday at noon Eastern for another episode of Eat Me. I've been Colin Terrio from the Cult of Copy. If you like this video, click subscribe or follow or like the page or whatever. Just show up when I told you to. Same bad time, same bad channel. See you next week. Have a great weekend.